Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
YouTube, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Damon back with another video, and today we're going to be giving y'all a little POV drive in the G80. I haven't been posting on this channel, bro, but I'm back, yo, for real, I'm back. I will be posting a lot of videos and shit, a lot of POV drives on this channel, so if y'all new, make sure y'all like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos, you feel me? So yeah, your boy going to get some shit done, so I said why not giving y'all a POV, you feel me? I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking, bro, I'm just gonna be driving, you feel me? So yeah, alright, so I'm put this bitch in sport mode real quick. But it be spinning, bro. Nigga hiding over there, bro. That's so gay. That's so fucking gay, bro. What the fuck? Nigga, that ass hiding over there, bro. We're just chilling right now, low key. other reason why my shit is spinning, bro, is because I was spinning my car and shit, so I need tires, bro, low key. And now it's gonna fucking rain. So I need to buy some new tires for the G80 and shit, but oh, that shit probably today or tomorrow. Sounds so fucking like ugly, or that shit sounds bad. It's all because I got a single mid pipe and I also have a down pipe, but the car is not tuned. You feel me? So that's the reason why this shit sounds like this, bro. Shit is not tuned. I got a race chip on it, honestly, but obviously that's not a tune. I need to get a custom tune for this shit or whatever the case is. Definitely need to get a custom tune. So yeah, when I get a custom tune, this shit is gonna sound way better. Feel me? But besides that, yeah, that's why it sounds like this. Alright, I'm taking this shit out of sport mode, bro. And then we got this, we got 12 over here, like, he's sucking dick. So as y'all can see, it's crazy rain and all that bullshit. I made it to my location, so make sure y'all like and subscribe and turn post notifications on, chat, because I will be posting a lot of crazy POV on this channel again. You feel me? So if y'all new, make sure y'all like, the video and subscribe and turn post notifications on. And make sure y'all subscribe to my other channels. It should be on the page or in the description. So I appreciate y'all for supporting. Peace out.